Welcome, and today's topic is CKD mock question 4. So, what is the task? Task is that modify the existing deployment name NeoKloud deployment running in the namespace YouTube. So, there is a deployment which is running in the namespace YouTube, and we need to modify this deployment to with that should be run with the user ID 777 and privilege escalation is forbidden, and the manifest file is located in this location. So existing deployment is running, so we can edit with this new file, or we can directly edit to the deployment. So first, what is this run with the user ID 0 and 77? So it's a 0. If the UID is 0, so it's a root privilege. So anything can done, anything could be done with that pod or a container. So there are the ID, but it is not like that the 0 is the most powerful and then 1 is more powerful than 2. So rest of the means from 1 to 6 5 5 3 5 3 5, they are the non-root users, and 0 is the root users. And the privilege escalation forbid here, but I is the root user, gate user, and group ID. And who am I? So here it is showing that the root. Okay. So if I want SSH node 01. So who am I? Is a root. So control L exit. So what I will do, user add neo. Okay, then I will id neo. So here you will see id is this one. So it is not a root user. So this is the case, means whenever here sudo -i, so I can privilege my escalation. I could be a root user. So this things cannot be done if the privilege escalation is forbidden. So what I will do, I will create a YAML file with the existing scenario, and then we'll change these things. So that these things can be done under the pod section and under the container section. So as per the CKD examination point of view, you should do in the container section if it is not explicitly asked. Okay. So what I need to do, I need to create a YAML file. So vi /ls, there is no file, need to create one. -depl.yaml, need to create this YAML file. Don't worry, this YAML will be available to you. K create ns NeoKloud, then K apply and NeoKloud. Sorry, I had not created the namespace. I wrongly created namespace NeoKloud. I need a YouTube. So control L, K get pods NeoKloud. Sorry, YouTube. So one pod is running. Great. So I need to K get deployment. K get deployment at YouTube. So this is the ready deployment. And now we need to edit this deployment. So here the deployment file is already there. So we need to vi NeoKloud.deployment. We need to add security context. So in the container section, I'm security context. So here search security context and then search YAML, and then here this allow, here you will see run as a user, but we don't need there. We need in the container section. So I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. And then I need allow privilege. So this is the allow privilege section. So okay, so I'll copy this allow privilege section, and then here what is the security context. So I'll copy this security context. So security context, correct the indentation, and then save it, wq, and apply -f NeoKloud.yaml. So configured. So Kgate rollout status YouTube, and then deployment apps and NeoKloud DPL. So successfully rolled out. So if you won't able to find whatever the security context, and you should know where the security context is present. It is present in the spec section and in the template section for the pod and the containers. So we had changed in the container section. So thank you so much for your love and support.